Hello friends, welcome to exam preparation. Today I am here with the RRB NTPC main exam overall analysis and the questions asked in the general awareness sections for the 17th January 2017. Okay, the Railway Recruitment Board conducting the non-technical post main examination from 17th to 19th. Okay, the first day has been over. Okay, many of you attempted the examinations. Here is the analysis and the questions asked in the examinations. Okay, let's see the analysis and the number of questions asked in each sections. Let's see the general intelligence and reasoning sections. So here you can find the seating arrangement, blood relations, verbal and image folding problems, logical statements, coding, decoding, mirror and water image, syllogism, puzzles, cubes and dice, so other some miscellaneous topics, and you can find the general intelligence and reasoning section a very easiest topic. So around 30 to 35 questions from the general intelligence and reasoning in the 120 questions. Okay, so it is very easiest topic, so you can attempt the general awareness questions. I mean, general intelligence and reasoning questions are very easy, and the scoring section for all. Okay, so the main 3 to 4 questions from each topics asked in the each topics. Okay, so if you have find any other topics and the questions, please share with us. Okay, this is the pattern of the examination. Nothing different between the banking and other examination. Only some mirror and water image and verbal and image folding problems are additionally included. You can find the seating arrangement, and the puzzles are like the you can find in the bank examination same pattern in the puzzles and seating arrangement also. Okay, it is very easiest topic. Okay, so the number of attempt could be high if you focus more on the general intelligence and reasoning sections. So let's move to the quantitative aptitude. The questions are from the topics like simple interest and compound interest, percentage, profit and loss, data interpretation, average, mensuration, speed, time and distance, number series, ratio, trigonometry, and HCF and LCM. These are the topics which came in the quantitative as sections. Around 30 to 35 questions are from the quantitative aptitude section. Okay, so these are the topics you can find. This also not very easy, but easiest one. You can find these topics questions are very easy one. Okay, so mensuration you have to find all the you have to know all the areas and the okay formulas, so you can easily solve. There is nothing new to study for you. It's also we also mentioned in your preparation strategy the topics which I mentioned in the preparation strategy has come in the examination. If you prepared well based on the preparation strategy, you can find easiest one of this examination. Okay, if you are appearing for today or tomorrow examination, try to focus more on this and prepare for the same, and make sure that you revised all these topics. Okay, and clear your doubts before the examination. Okay, and move to the general awareness topics. Yeah, it's come from the history, polity and economics, current affairs and computers, geography and general science. Okay, you can find around 4 to 5 questions from each topics, and you can find current affairs questions are from more questions from current affairs, like 10 to 15 questions. Okay, from the current affairs sections. And the current affairs are from the 2015 and to the overall 2016. You have to prefer for overall 2016 current affairs. Okay, the questions are from different months. Okay, so you can find somewhat difficult in general awareness. It's moderate to difficult level in general awareness part, but you can find the polity, history and the geography. These topics are very, and biology in the general science, the common facts questions were asked, so you can find the easiest question in these topics. And so overall, the analysis of the general awareness part will be moderate to difficult level. Okay, so around like 40 to 50 questions are from the general awareness questions. Okay, so the number of questions are high in the general awareness part, and the weightage of the overall examination is in the general awareness part. Okay, so you can, if you are well prepared in the general awareness part, you can attempt more number of questions in the less time. Okay, so you can focus more on the quantitative aptitude and reasoning sections. Okay, and you can ask me why there is no any English section questions. Yeah, there will be a English questions asked in the examination. A few questions are from the English sections. You can find that also very easy. Only the general awareness part is difficult to answer because of the current affairs and the questions from different part of the topics. Okay, and let's move to the some general awareness questions which asked in the uh, January 17th, the first day of the RRB NTPC examination. Okay, I have listed all the questions which asked in the examination. Let's see one by one. First one, Gandhara art is developed in which era? So it was between the first century BC and the 7th century AD. And the next one, at what place was the eighth BRICS summit held? It is Goa. How many states and union territories in India have a coastline? Nine states and four union territories. Okay, and who is the current CEO of Niti Aayog? Is Amitabh Kant, and the chairman of the Niti Aayog is the Prime Minister. With which game is Bambalaya Devi is associated with archery? And at what place are Ajanta caves situated at Maharashtra? United Nation Day is celebrated on October 24th. And the next one, beriberi is caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? It is caused by vitamin B. And who can remove the president of India? Parliament can pass the bill to remove the president. And what kind of bill is the GST? GST is the Constitutional Amendment Bill. The International Renewable Energy Agency headquartered is located at Abu Dhabi. Who was the first Indian woman to win the gold medal in the Asian Awards? Is Mary Kom. And which of the following is gold soluble in aqua regia is the only soluble solvent to solve the gold. Okay, and Cricket World Cup is organized by International Cricket Council, that is ICC. Which game Lalita Babar belongs to? She belongs to long distance runner. And what is Blu-ray disc? It is a storage device. Who is the first Indian to go into this space? Is Rakesh Sharma. What is the rank of Mukesh Ambani in the world richest person? He is 36th richest person in the world. And who won Arjuna Award in Kabaddi in 2015? It's Manjit Siller. And among the following, which is not a board game, it is bridge. So the questions are from the options. So you can find this. And where is the Mahabodhi temple located in? It is Bihar, that is Bodh Gaya. Who was the Governor General of India at the time of Sipai Mutiny? It is Lord Canning. So Charles John Canning is the Governor General of India at the time of Sipai Mutiny. And who founded Abhinav Bharat Society? It is Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Antonym of idle is busy. The questions from English section. And which country is the Mount Helena located? It is California. So name the holy book of Jewish. It is Torah. What is the full form of GUI? It is graphical user interface. Environment Protection Act was posed in which year? It is from the 1986. So in which layer of the atmosphere is radio communication is possible? Ionosphere. So try to find the layer of the atmosphere and the possible uses in the in the atmosphere region. Okay, and the next one, who discovered electron? It is J.J. Thomson. How many islands are there in the Lex tube? It is 36 islands. When did Simon Commission first come to India? It is 3rd February 1928. Name the highest peak of South India. It is Anamudi. It's Western Ghats. So China, being a landlocked country, share it border with how many countries? It is 14. And where is the Tehri Dam situated? So it is Uttarakhand. And scurvy is caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? It is the deficiency of vitamin C. The iron pillar in Delhi was constructed under which ruler? It is Chandragupta II. And full form of FDI, it is foreign direct investment. Gaurav Gay is related to which sport? Is related to golf. And the Railway Act was passed in which year? It is 1989. And Lala Lajpati Rai was from the village of Tudiki. And full form of Niti Aayog is National Institution for Transforming India. Before we got the CEO of Niti Aayog, that is Amitabh Kant. Okay, and the next one, which country was declared malaria free in 2016 by World Health Organization? It is Sri Lanka. Okay, and the next one, so flora and fauna are they are referred to the plants and the animals respectively. Okay, the Nobel Prize for Literature in 2015 was awarded to Svetlana Alexievich. Okay, and the captain of the ICICI World T20 team is Virat Kohli. So he is taking all the three format cricket of India team. Mission Raptor is related to Indian Railways, which is to convert the diesel engines. Okay, and archery is the national sport of which nation? It is the national sport of Bhutan, who is known as the Flying Sikh. It is Milka Singh. Climate change conference of 2015 happened in Paris. So, which anniversary did the United Nations celebrated in 2015? It is 17th anniversary, and Bombaya Devi is associated with archery. So, we already seen that, and maximum strength of judges in the Supreme Court, it is 30. A multi-application solar telescope mast at, so it is operating in Udaipur. And messenger spacecraft probe was sent to which planet? It is Mercury, which is not a monosaccharide, it is maltose. Which device protects electrical device from voltage spikes? It is surge protector. And Gophan Food, geospy satellite launched by it is China. And transfer of High Court judge can be done only by the president. Sanctuary Legend Award for 2015 was awarded to Ashok Kumar. UNITAR, UNITAR stands for United Nations Institute for Training and Research. Mount Ellens is situated in USA. So 12th National Ice Skating Championship ended in Kulmark. And what is the name of the first bank which had a tie-up with IRCTC? It is ICICI Bank. And state and union territories are mentioned in which schedule? It is mentioned in the first schedule of the Indian Constitution. Full form of UNCTAD, that is United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. The next one, Pro Wrestling League 2015 winner was Mumbai. And zero carbon production country in 2015 is Bhutan. And we got the question from Bhutan, like which country has the national sport of sport archery? That is Bhutan. Okay, which state has the biggest production of mangoes? It is Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Nanda Devi's peak is situated where? So it is situated in the Uttarakhand. It is the second highest mountain in India. Okay, then railway mascot. Okay, what is the railway's mascot? It is Bolu, the god elephant. And what is the name of the highest peak of South India? So we already seen that it is Anamudi, the Western Gates. Who painted the painting Bharat Mata? It is Abhinandranath Thakur. Okay, it is not Rabindranath Tagore, it is Abhinandranath Thakur. It's a painter. And who was awarded the title of Mr. India for 2016? It is Vishnu Raj. Okay, these are the questions which came in the examination of the RRB NTPC January 17th on all the slots. Hope you find helpful for your examination, exam preparations. I'll be updating all the questions and the upcoming exam slot review and analysis. Okay, uh, stay tuned with us and all the best for the next slot examination. Thank you.